Good morning, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, December 19th, 2019. And, wow. So, anyway, brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Before we get started here, everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So, please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, let's take a look and see where we are at with the market. Up here. All right, so we can see here yesterday, right? We're still following the uptrend, right? Bullish until proven otherwise. We had two narrow range days. Now the interesting thing is, you wonder like, was it price discovery up here, right? I mean, we're all-time highs. Like I don't know, we need some impetus to get up here a little bit, test a little bit higher, or is it pre-impeachment? But then you go to the impeachment and it's like, okay, market really doesn't care. We'll look at the S&P futures in a second here. But basically, you can see, geometric chart, we're kind of slowly, working our way up here, possibly test that upper pitchfork level, which is pretty incredible, really, if you think about it. But yeah, just the fact that we're at like 3,200 is really, really amazing considering where we were back in December, So anyway, great stuff here. So we're still, tracking this. Let's take a look at the S&P futures here and see how they're looking this morning. They were ticking green a little bit earlier, still kind of flattish. Right, lots of chop throughout the evening. Really tough to even get a trend line on this thing. So I've just got the, this macro trend line here from, basically from the other day, and then we're kind of seeing ourselves just like in this chop range right here. So I mean, basically, probably you could kind of do like a triangle on this right now, until we get out of this kind of choppy mess. Right, it's kind of what we're looking at. So just keep an eye on that today. Again, just the fact that we're green after impeachment news just shows that the market doesn't care. Pretty much understands that once it gets to the Senate, it's likely going to get through without any issues. So we'll see. We'll see what kind of catalysts we have going forward. In the meantime, we do have some ones to focus on today. We've got Micron. That's gapping up this morning. Now, keep in mind it's still below the initial thrust high, from earnings, and it's about like 55-ish right now. So if we go to if we go to our chart right here, we can see that we have some pretty good resistance in this area right here. We're not gapping over any major levels, so we'll see if that gets any follow through today, or if it gets what would most likely be a reversal today. So we'll see how that handles today. Netflix got an upgrade this morning. So that's pretty interesting there. So it's kind of drifting up here. Cisco got an upgrade this morning, so that was a first in a while. We've been tracking this one. We had a nice trade on this one yesterday. I love the inside day, how it had increased volume on it. We got a nice follow through to the upside. So that's looking pretty good there. So other than that, we'll keep an eye out for it. If anything interesting comes up, we'll definitely tweet it out later. And I hope everybody has a wonderful trading day. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you soon.